Most of you are pretty good at rounding. Most of you understand the rule about 0 to 4, stay on the floor, 5 to 9, climb the vine. But what people do forget is how many digits you put when you round things. If I were going to round 351 to the nearest 10, I would look in the tens place and then I'd check the number after it. This is between 0 and 4, so I stay on the floor, so I would round that to 350. Now, I have to put this 0 here because if I didn't have it there, it would just be 35. But it works differently when we get into decimals. If I had this number, 351.19, and I wanted to round it to the nearest tenth, this is the tenths place, so I look at the number after it. 5 to 9, climb the vine, which means I'm going to go up. So I am going to put 351.2. That is my correct answer. I am not going to put 351.20. That is not correct because that suggests that I've measured it closely enough to know that I have 20 hundredths. I really only have 19 hundredths. So I can only put to the exact decimal digit that I'm rounding to. So 351.2 is correct. 351.20 is incorrect. Let's try another one. What if I had 357.406 and I wanted to round to the nearest hundredth? I'm going to look at the 0. This is the hundredths place, so I go to the digit after it. 6 is 5 to 9, so I'm going to climb the vine. I'm going to go up. So I get 357.41. I cannot say 357.410. That would not be correct. That's going to the nearest thousandth. I'm only rounding to the nearest hundredth.